Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to guide you how actually you can create a perfect animation on your Google Slides that can actually attract your audience when you are presenting with that slide. So it's pretty much cool. If you want to create anything, any animated slides that actually will be shown in a projector or any big screen or any medium screen, any screen, so it will look creative when there is animation between text and the images. So we are going to create a blank sheet here. So here it is. So we are going to use the, here you can see different types of template are available here, but we are going to show you how actually you can create a slide from scratch. So from here we are going to use a background image from here. So for example, choose image here. So we are going to use a background image here, for example this one. So let's see how it fits. So you can use it like simply click on done. Here you can see I have just added, so that it's that's it. And from here, so it's look pretty much good here. Or otherwise we can just use image here, like I'm going to use. You can actually change the background from here. Hope you know all of things about this one, so I'm going to skip that part here. But if I give you some a little thought, a little guide about this all of these components that actually available here, like you can go with this size here. This is actually selective tool. This is actually text box where you can add some text boxes here. So here, just like this, if you select it, you can add the text box here. So that's how you can just do it. And here is the shape where you can build some shape here if you want. So here is the background where you can change the background. So I'm going to change a background from here. For example, this color of background, white is not good, that looking good. So we are going to delete all of this from here, and something like this, I'm going to delete it. Or yes, just like this, where we can just add this here, and we can just change the size of that. So you can change the size of a text box here. This is actually a text box, just like this. I'm going to add a project launch campaign. So I have just added. I'm going to expand it a little bit so it can get expanded, just like this. And I'm going to just a little size here, not this here, and the size should be like this. Yes, that's perfect. So we are going to add it, or we can rotate it if we want. So we are going to place it here or in this section now, like this. So we are going to project launch campaign. So we are going to add something. So for example, I'm going to get help of ChatGPT, but I hope you have all the concept about how you can all the concept about the text that you are going to enter in your slides. So here is, I'm going to describe that I want a description on product launch campaign. Sorry for that, campaign. So let's see how it give us. So here it is. So here it is. So I'm going to copy a random text from here, a random description from here. So here is the random description. So we are going to make it wider and more wider here, like make it more wider like this. So we are going to place it here, and we are going to increase the text size just like this. And also we are going to add a line spacing here, line spacing, not this actually, now line spacing we are going to add a line spacing like this line spacing, and or this is too much, so I'm going to do this. Now the letter spacing also, so if you click on it, and from here we're going to get it like this, and from here, so that's cool. And we are going to add something like, I'm going to add a shape from here, so the shape like this one here, so we are going to add a shape from here. That's actually not good, so we are going to add it. It's not actually selecting. That's a much pretty much annoying thing is, whenever you want to move something, move text from here, it will not allow you that much. So here it's blocking, so we are going to delete it actually. So like this, we are going to paste it here, so just like this. Now let me show you how you can add something. So first we are going to add project actually, so that actually look like, I'm going to show you like a PNG. So I'm going to add a PNG here. So like we are going to add a PC or computer with mobile, computer. So I have downloaded one from the source here. So here it is. So we are going to upload that. So we are going to open that here. So we are going to upload that here. So here you can see it has just loaded. So sorry for that. So we are going to insert an image. So image here. So upload from computer. So we are going to get that image details here. So we are going to select that from here, that file location. So we are going to copy that file location, and we are going to paste that file location here. So here it is. So we're going to double tap on it, and here is the actually this one like this, and we are going to change the background image. That's why it's white actually, so actually it can match the background, so just like this. Also you can change the product this text font style from here. So I'm going to change the font style just like this, and I'm going to place it here, or just like this. And here it's also, I'm going to select all and change it to Times New Roman, and just like this we have this. So here I'm going to give you some example for the transition and the animation. So the customization is up to you. So here you can see I have just added an image here, some text here, subheading, and a title text from here. So if you want to give some animation here, then you can simply select a text from here, then simply click on animate. Here you can see I have added the animate here. So here is the object animate. So you can find the object animates, that's mean the object animate here. And let me create another one so I can give you more details here. So chapter 1, anything like, I'm going to add the same description here for the example for this video. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it in. So just like this, and it should be like this. And we're going to add another one like for example this one. So I'm going to download it. So I have just downloaded. Now I'm going to insert an image again. So insert image. So here is the download from here, and go to downloads, and here it is. So here is the image here. So we are going to place it at the midset here. So just like this. So we have 2 slides. So you just like this, you can create some slides, multiple slides from here. So in the first slide, I'm going to add some animation between this actually the objects that actually I have on the slide. So you can simply click on an object and you can simply add the animation. So I'm going to, sorry for that, here is that. Now here you can find different types of animation like disappear, fade in, fade out, fly in from left, fly in from left or right, fly in from bottom, fly in from top. You can find it like this. So from the left actually, or from fly in from the right, or I'm going to use it right. So let's see how it look like. So if I play it, then you can see, you can get a preview if I click on it. So that's like it. So it will appear like this. Or if I go with the fade in button here, so here, and we are going to add this, add a fade in, and here is the second one is on click. So it's, that means how it will react when you have start that animation. So for the first one, I prefer you to go with this one click. So whenever you are ready, then you can simply click on your mouse for once, then the animation will be started. So you can select it now by paragraph, and so on. First you can go with that, or you can actually select the speed from here. I'm going to select it 1.5. so that's just like this. So let's play it, and here you can see it will, if I click for once, and it will appear like this. So here it is. Now here you can find it is for one line, and here you can find multiple lines, a paragraph actually. So I'm going to add that animation for this section here. So appear, and we are going to add fade in, or from left here. So we are going to add it from left. And by paragraph, if you go with this by paragraph, then it will appear like one by one. And here is the speed here, so I'm going to add the speed 1.5 again. Then I'm going to play it like, here is the after previous. That means this animation will it play after the first or the previous one, that previous animation. So you can go with this after previous. Now simply click on play, and let's see how it's look like. Now if I click for once, then it will appear like this. Again, you can find that. So just like this, you can add it, and here is the image here that actually can add it. So here is the image. I'm going to put the animation on that image here. So here's the image. So I'm going to set it for fade in, and after previous one, so it can actually automatically it can actually create the automated animation on each of them automatically whenever I click for once. So I have just added this one click comment for the first one, and after that all of this is after previous. So just like this, play, and one click, and you can see started. So just like this. So you can give the animation from here. So it's pretty cool. Also you can give some animate here, and give some, here's the motion. So here if you want to add some transition between the slides, so you can simply click on it, and here is slide transition. You can simply click on transitions, and here is transition, where you can select the transition between the slides, multiple slides here. So here is none. So in this drop down you can find different types of slide. So you can slide from dissolved, fade. So dissolved will look like this. You can set the speed from here. So I'm going to add the speed here, and let's play. So it will just look like this, and the animation will look up here, and just this. And whenever you just click it, sorry for that, dissolve. So it is fade actually, and slide from right, slide from left, flip, cube, gallery, different type of flip. So right now I'm going to use this slide from the right. So here it is. So you can see the slide from right, and whenever you click on it, showing it, and whenever you want to so you can simply click on enter like this, play, and here it will appear from the left to right. And when you go with that, so now you can click on slide or press enter to continue. You can click on slide here. So it will actually appear between them. So here you can also have to add the animation for all of. So you can simply click on apply to all slides. So it will apply the motion to all, transition to all slides, where you can find this icon here. Now you can play it, and you can find that it's started. So just like this, click on sorry for that, we are going to play it, and yeah, one click, and it's appearing. So that's how you can add some animations on your Google Slides, and the transition between the other slides from here. So Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.